So let's move on to the subject of building high-performing groups within the organisation. Really super. You are a high-performing company when you've grown incredibly well. Just tell us about how you actually have gone about building those high-performing groups.
Yeah, so I think there's a few things. Obviously, the key thing is really aligning everybody so that they all understand. I think particularly a company that's growing fast, obviously you're going to have your humps, and there's points of high pressure and points where it's a bit more relaxed. But to get people over the humps and to keep morale up and have everyone do it with good spirits, it's really important that they understand why they're being asked to push hard and why, what the purpose is. Is it really just about this one project and this one client, or is it about a bigger vision?
Is there a bigger vision?
Yeah. So when we were a small company, when we were a smaller company, it was pretty easy because the directors were obviously there, they were visible, you could talk to them, you could have lunch with them.
Yeah.
And then I think about last year, we started getting a lot of feedback from the team that they were losing sight of what that vision was and why they were being asked to go in a particular way, or people might disagree with why we were doing one project and not another project, or they didn't see where it all fit together.
Yeah.
So so we did a piece of work where we got everyone's input around building a new vision for the company, and yeah, we had to. I guess the directors had to kind of think, do we do a big seminar and say this is Outware's vision that we've come up with, and these are the words, and that's what it is.
Yeah.
But we just didn't. We've got a very smart team of people,
right.
And we just knew that we had to get buy-in from everyone. Everyone had to kind of input into that. But then the flip side of that was, we started the process and we started, having a survey of asking people questions about the way they think about the company and where they think it could go. Having some talks and discussions around that. It was almost like the feedback a little bit the other way as well. Like, don't you guys know where we're going? Why are you asking us? So it was kind of finding that mix between, us. These are the kind of this is the box of, this is the things that the directors and founders, this is the area that we want to play in the market that we're playing in.
Right.
But within that, we'll give you guys the freedom to kind of think about where we want to go and why we want to do it. And obviously that was a kind of a to and fro and a conversation as well.
Yeah.